Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you here. I know today is not going to be different because you will receive what is important for you as you channel your path in life and also relate with others. Here at today's family program, we want you to know we care about you, and we want you to always appreciate, add on, and also get to the next level that you have gotten to. If you are just tuning in, I would ask you to take some time to like this channel and also invite friends to watch together with you. Our aim is to make sure that everybody gets this information and you are a potential person that can help us get a message to other people. Well, a new year has started and we've talked about, getting ourselves ready, what a new year means. And today we're going to talk about very important thing, because if we don't have the fundamentals right, we will not be able to really build anything sensible or reasonable, or whatever we would build may not hold the foundations. Foundational things are very, very important. My question to you, and I know your answer will be no. Do you want to fail in life? No, I've never had anybody answer this question and say, yes, I want to fail. But then when I ask the opposite, do you want to succeed in life? Many people, everybody says, yes, I want to be successful. I want to succeed in everything that I do. So let's look at the whole issue of success, because this year you must be successful. You have to be successful. You desire to be successful, but how can you attain that level of success? Many people actually are successful, but because they don't know or understand what success is, they cannot identify themselves with success. I hope this series would help you to really know and navigate your way to where you are on the success ladder so that you can make it to the very top. Everybody wants to be successful. There is no one person who does not want to be successful. I want to say that success is also predictable. You can predict. You can see what someone is doing, all things being equal. You say this person will go far. This person will succeed because of certain potentials, certain gifts, or certain traces that the person exhibits will let you know that is going to be successful. The same way success is predictable, failure is also predictable. If you see somebody who is wasteful, if you see somebody who has no sense of investment, if you see people who are just wasting their lives around, you don't need a prophet to tell you this person is bound for failure. So it is predictable based on what we do or what we don't do. It is very important. But then in life, each and every one of us has to make a personal choice. And that is where the difference comes in. People get results based on the choices they make, the efforts they put in, and how much they were ready to embrace what they see at the end. So to be successful, you must have a goal. You must have an end point. You must say, I want to be this, I want to achieve that, I want to be at this level, and make sure 2024, you are having that kind of mindset, knowing where you would want to be in May, in July, in September, in November, December, whichever you want. But you must have a focus as to where you would want to see yourself. It is absolutely important. But in life, there are also laws. And if you follow the laws that life has stipulated, then you will be able to get the best out of life. There is nothing that works by its own. There is always a regulatory, either a body or system or something that, sets in as a law that can guide, that can protect, that can, validate the things that we do. If you want to make profit, you must invest. Invest in ventures that are profitable. If what you get is lesser than what you put in, then you may not make any profit. It is very, very important that we identify the sources, the means, so that we don't end up embarking on a good cause, but then because of visions that we have, the results may not work out well. You succeeded in doing the thing, but you have not been able to raise the needed funds. It is absolutely important for us to give, attention to some of these things. And this is why we are starting this series with you. I want to be successful. I believe that is what you are saying. You want to be successful. I know you want to be successful. But to be successful is not like a birthright. To be successful, it does not come by DNA. To be successful, you cannot have it, let's say, imparted into you. Yes, this is success, get it and do it. You need to also know the rules. You need to obey the laws, and you need to move in the direction of what success is for you. Success of anything that is done brings the one through whom it's done, the one who did it, into a level of confidence, gains respect from society, and is authenticated. Very, very important. So let's ask ourselves the question, what is success? What is success? Many people think success is what I have done compared to what others have done. I came to tell you this afternoon that success is not what you have done compared to what others have done. Real success is what you have done compared to what you want to do. Success will be determined by what you have set up as your end goal. Success will be determined by the kind of vision that you have, where you see yourself in 2 years. So come 2 years, when we assess where you want to see yourself and you are not there yet, then we say you did not succeed. So success is not what you have done against what others are doing. You don't have any business to compare yourself with others. Your focus, your attention should be on the why, what, how, when of the things that you have to do as an individual. Your success depends on you understanding the laws. Your success depends on you sitting up, making researches, and applying whatever you know. It is absolutely important. So success is the fulfillment of the purpose and assignment for which you are here, for which you are alive. I'm alive so I can fulfill purposes. And when you know your purpose, nobody can give you a different agenda. Many people are focused on what others tell them as their purpose. Many people are, busy helping other people fulfill their purpose. You need to identify what your purpose is. Success is guaranteed you in every way. But for success to come, success is an end product. And you need the raw materials that makes up the thing we call success. What are some of these raw materials? Humility, ability to learn, spending less, investing more, meeting deadlines, and having good social relationships. Because you will be doing stuff for people. If your social relationship is not good, then you are in for trouble. So laws that keep us moving in life, like I said, you want profit, you must invest. And usually the harvest is more than the seed that is sown. I mean, ask any businessman or businesswoman. They'll tell you that I do not get what I put in. I aim to get more than what I put into any venture. And once you have that mindset, you will succeed. Spend lesser than you save. Some people, when it comes to their spending habits, they spend and spend and spend and spend until thy kingdom come. And they never have anything anywhere. Invest. I'm not saying put it down. Say invest it. Let that money sitting down bring you some results. The same thing, not only with your money, but invest your knowledge. Don't sit down idle. Well, I don't have anything doing, so let me sit in the chair and rock. You could rock all you can, but it will not add one value to you. At the end of the day, they will call you the rocker. Nobody wants that name. Many people want to hear a reputable name, a very good position, that they will be able to say, yes, I am connected with this office. I'm connected with this person. But life is not about the titles or the achievements. If you really want to be successful, you must humble yourself. You must humble yourself. Without humility, there is no success. The laws that we have laid down on this earth that men must abide with encourages everybody to be nice, to be friendly. How will you get the success that you need? Well, in this series, we will be unfolding it. And before I leave you today, I have two questions for you. What is your success plan for 2024? And my second question, how are you stepping out to succeed? Maybe you've already stepped out, but step back and analyze from the side. Remember, it is very, very important for you to be able to assess what you do. Until you know what you want to achieve, you will not be able to evaluate and know whether you are successful or not. This is your program, Today's Family. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and we are here to share life with you. We are here to encourage you. As you have heard today, we will continue in the coming weeks, and I know that you want to be successful. Maybe you call yourself even success, and you say, I will never, fail, but I will always succeed. It is possible, and you can do it. Well, till I see you again next week, from Today's Family, we want to say we love you, and we wish you every best, and take good care of yourselves. Till we see you same time next week. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.